Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to join two objects in FreeCAD. So if you want to do it, first you need to create an empty file, and after that you need to check if you are in part design mode. It is very important. So now we can create a body, we can create sketch, and we need to select this one option XY plane. Then I click OK button, and I'm going to create here a first object. So I click on this one icon and I select here rectangle. Now I draw here a simple rectangle, maybe something like that. Then I click close button and I select pad. We need to finish task, so I click OK button, and our first object has been successfully created here. So now we can create another object, so I go to create body, I select here create sketch, then I select XY plane and I click OK button. Now I'm going to create another rectangle, so I click on this one option and I select rectangle. I create here a simple rectangle, maybe something like that, and then I click close button to finish this task and I select pad. Now I click OK button, and we have here two different objects. If we would like to join this one object to this one object, we need to go to model, we need to select body 001, we click right mouse button here and we select transform. Then we will be able to change position of this object. So I will move it to this one object, and after that I will make it higher, yes, so I will change position maybe to this one. And when you will place your object how you want, you need to click OK button. Then we need to select main body, we need to click right mouse button here, and we need to select active body. Then I click on this one icon. It will let us to create Boolean operation with two or more bodies, so I click on it, and then I select body that I want to add. So I click on this one body and I click add body. And then we need to select body that we want to use to this operation, so I click on this one body, then I click OK button, and then we will see here Boolean operation finished. If you will click on it, you can see that two objects have been successfully joined. So it is how it works. If I helped you to use it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel, and please let me know in comment if it solved your problem.